In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add AI chatbot to Squarespace website. First, sign into your Squarespace account dashboard. This is your home base for all of your sites and settings. Once you're in, click Dashboard to open the overview for your site. From here, choose the site where you want the chatbot to appear and click Go to Website. That opens the site's editor so we can make changes. In the editor, select Website to access the main navigation, then open Pages. Decide which page you want to place the chatbot code on. Many chatbot providers use a floating widget that appears on every page as long as the code loads once, so adding it to your home page is a common choice. With the page selected, click Edit to enter the page editor. We'll create a clean place to hold the code. Click Add Section, then choose Add Blank. A blank section ensures nothing conflicts with the embed. Click on the section itself so it's active. Now click Add Block inside that section. From the block picker, choose Code. If you don't see the code block, you may need the appropriate Squarespace plan or the right permissions. Check your account settings if it's missing. With the code block added, click into it so you can edit. Make sure the block is in HTML mode. If you see options like HTML, CSS, or JS, stay on HTML for now. You may notice Squarespace pre-fills the code field with a simple line that says, "Hello world." Delete that placeholder so the field is empty. Now paste in the chatbot embed code you got from your chatbot provider. This is usually a small script snippet that loads the widget on your site. Be sure you're pasting the entire snippet exactly as provided, including any script tags. If the provider gives you environment or site IDs, double check those values before pasting. If your code includes both a script and some inline HTML, keep them together in this single code block unless your provider instructs otherwise. After pasting, click outside the code field or confirm the code block settings to apply it. Next, click Save in the upper corner of the editor. Saving commits your changes to the page. Then click Exit to leave the page edit mode and return to the site view. You should now see the chatbot icon or widget appear, typically in a bottom corner. Click the chatbot to open it and confirm it loads. Then click again to navigate through its initial prompts or to close it. If it doesn't appear, refresh the page and check that the code block is still set to HTML and that the script didn't get stripped. Some ad blockers can hide widgets, so try another browser or an incognito window if needed. A few quick tips to make this go smoothly. Place the blank section near the bottom of the page to keep your editor tidy. The floating widget will still appear on the screen even if the section is out of view. Give the section a descriptive internal title if you like, such as Chatbot Embed, so you can find it easily later. If your provider allows it, customize colors and greetings within their dashboard rather than editing the script directly, which helps avoid typos. And if you plan to use the chatbot across your entire site and it requires loading on every page, many providers still work fine when placed on a single high-traffic page, but consult their documentation for best results. Finally, always review your site's privacy policy and cookie notices when adding third-party scripts. Some chatbots track interactions or store conversation data, and you'll want to make sure your disclosures are up to date. That's it. You've added an AI chatbot to your Squarespace website using a simple code block and saved your changes. Thanks for watching and happy building.